I'm Scott Yuknis for Climate Impact Company. Let's take a look at the mid and late summer and early autumn outlook across the United States. It looks like another warmer than normal summer. That's guaranteed at this point. Not quite as hot as the last two summer seasons, but plenty of heat is ahead, particularly the western and west central United States. The big issue is dryness over the north central U.S. Is that going to expand? The climate forecast for July does indicate dry conditions across north and central portion of the Great Plains, so the drought condition which has developed the last couple of months over the northern plains is likely to expand southward. With that drought expansion, we expect an increased risk of anomalous heat, which will exaggerate that drought condition. Where's the wet weather for midsummer? Extending northward out of the Gulf of Mexico and into the eastern portion of the United States. Warm to hot and humid conditions are likely across the eastern U.S. Over the western states where dryness is coming on pretty strong for the first part of the warm season, that's where the hottest temperatures will be. And that's the source region for much of the air mass trajectory eastward into the Great Plains for midsummer. Now, moving into August, the Gulf of Mexico is expected to be tropically active, and some of that moisture, which has been affecting mainly the eastern portion of the United States during midsummer, may start to work its way northward into the growing areas. So the dry to drought condition that we have into midsummer may start to ease back, especially in the Corn Belt of Illinois to the Ohio Valley and down into the Missouri Valley once we get towards the end of the summer season. But still, a warmer than normal national climate and hot conditions will frequently occur over the western U.S., parts of the north central states, and into the eastern states. In September, the wet weather will be expansive across the southeastern United States. It's a bit of a question how much of that wet weather will work up into the growing areas, but it will be nearby. Still, north of that wet belt, the dry to drought conditions will continue along with anomalous warmth. The western United States will still be hot towards the end of the summer season and into early autumn, also warmer and more humid than normal in the eastern states into September.